So hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is Mohit from Technical Driver. So guys, today we are going to learn how to set system date and time by using another system IP, or we can say that we will learn time synchronization through another LAN network PC without any internet. Guys, I would request you all, if you still not subscribe my channel, please go and check all the videos. If you like the videos, please subscribe this channel, because this channel is having more IT stuff and I am posting regular updates, regular videos of the latest cracks and latest hacking process of all the servers and all related to the server networking, firewalls, SSLs and many more. So guys, please check all the videos, and if you like, please subscribe. Before wasting any more time, we will move forward to the steps. So guys, this is my main machine. This is called a server machine like. Okay, so first, and this is my virtual machine, which I am gonna sync the timings from this machine to the another machine, my virtual machine, I can say. So guys, first of all, I will check both system IP address. This is the main thing which you have to check and which you have to note. Okay, so I am just checking my IP address in my virtual machine. So yeah, the IP command, the command is which I am using ipconfig. So guys, you can see here IPv4 IP address is 192.168.211.137, which I have taken on remote. So this is my main machine. Okay, so the IP address of this machine is 192.168.20.1. I am going to set my virtual machine timings from my server. Okay, I am going to turn off my time synchronization, internet synchronization in my virtual machine. Okay, so it will never set from the internet, and I will show you my main machine timings, which is currently synced with the internet. I will not turn off this timing because I will set my virtual machine timings from this PC. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am going to open date and times option, and will change the timing. Okay, by going the date and time option. Okay, so I'm going to change. First of all, I'm this currently synchronization is off, so I'm going to change the timings from my virtual machine. I'm going to set 4 and this date time. Okay, so my timing date and time is showing wrong. Okay, so now I am going to set my virtual machine timing from my main client machine by using IP address in the LAN network. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just open the command prompt in the administrator privilege. Okay, so it is necessary to open by using administrator privilege, otherwise you will get the error. Okay, this will call the access denied error. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first I will note the IP address of my main machine, main server machine, at the timings by using a single command. Okay, so I'm just typing net space time space, sorry, I'm just open my virtual keyboard. Okay, so net space time space backward slash double backward slash 192.168.20.1 my server IP address. Okay, because I am going to sync my virtual machine timing from my main server machine. Okay, because my main server machine is already synced with the internet timings, but my virtual machine is not set with the internet. Okay, so I'm gonna take the timings from my server machine and will set in my virtual machine. Now you can see here I am not set this, I am only run the command. So now I'm going to do, I'm going to add two symbols. Okay, now like backward slash set space and backward slash y. This will use to set the timings. Okay, so don't miss to put this, and I am just enter this, and you can see here the timings will be changed. Oh sorry, I am just pressed wrong. So now enter, you can see here the timing is changed and synced with my main machine. Okay, so this is a very crucial process, a very easy and simple process to sync your time and date to from my to another machine, or you can say that from my another machine. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to, you can check here the main second to second is matching. Okay, my virtual machine timing is currently synced with my main machine. Okay, so now second step, you can learn the second step which I'm going to share as a special note. Okay, I'm going to add this command in my batch file. Okay, and will set this batch file into my scheduler. Okay, so that you can never run again and again. The scheduler will proceed your command as per your task you assign. If you assign the timings like 5 minutes 10 minutes in the schedule formed, either your system will easily perform and will set by using this batch file. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to open the notepad and will type echo off and then enter, and then net space time space backward slash double backward slash 192.168.20.1, and I'm just using this 192.168. It's my server machine IP, and you can say that another system IP, and set, and then this, and will save in the batch format, BAT format. You can also put it .cmd format. Okay, so I'm gonna set and gonna save it in my desktop. Now it is saved. Now you can see here this batch file is successfully created on my desktop. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to again change my virtual machine timing. Okay, I'm not entering any command in my command prompt. I'm going to set by using this batch file. Okay, so I'm going to change my system timings and date. Now entering each time, date and second. Okay, and you can see here the current timing is totally wrong. Okay, so I'm going to run by using run as administrator, and yes, you can see here the timing is changed and synced with my main machine. So guys, I hope you understand. Secondly, this is a main process. I'm going to show you how you can easily schedule this batch file. Okay, so guys, you have to open your administrator account, because administrator privilege is needed and must to set this batch file. If you add this batch file without any administrator privilege, it will never run. So guys, you have to open the task manager task scheduler, and you can create new basic task and named as a time sync, and if you want to, if as per your wish. So I'm gonna set a next. Okay, next, and browse this file, this time synchronized file. Okay, batch file, and now next, and then finish. This will finish. Okay, so guys, go to the property and set the trigger limit. Okay, this is you can see here on the top. First you have to add the privilege, because this is my local limited account. So I'm gonna add the administrator privilege in here, and you can trigger this as per your wish. If you want to schedule this task in the recurring manner, you can set this, repeat this task. I'm just repeating in 5 minutes, and will set, as infinity. You can set, if you want to set for 1 day, if you want to set for 5 day, 2 day, you can set. I am going to set infinity. That means it will continuously run in every 5 minutes. Okay guys, so guys, I'm not gonna show you to run. I'm not gonna wait for 5 minutes. So guys, it will automatically run, it will automatically set. Okay, so guys, secondly I am going to show you the next step which you want. If you want to set without any intervention of your without going to the additional regional setting, time setting, you can set by using command. So guys, you have to type time. You can see here currently 8:36 is going on. I'm going to set 8:55. It will set. You can see here it will set. Okay, this is a manual process, but it is a manual process with command prompt. By using command prompt, so you can never go, you can never go to your additional regional setting and next to next. So this is a simple process. Also you can change the date by using single date command. Okay, so I'm gonna type the date as per the instruction ddmmyy, and this will set. So I have demonstrated you for the as a demo purpose. So currently date and time is currently wrong. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to set by using internet timing. Okay, so because this video is currently in the process of ending, so I am going to set in internet. Hope you like this video. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your friends and your personals. So guys, thank you for watching. Love you. Keep supporting this channel. This is your channel guys. So bye bye, take care, good night.